Stanford University.
The class is a choreography workshop. People throughout the campus and campus communities, in particular dance communities, come together and we teach each other the different dance styles that are prevalent on campus.
We would bring 4, 5, 6 different leaders or choreographers from dance clubs to actually be the guest teacher. And the idea is that they would both teach a little bit of the history, the culture, and then also teach choreography that each student could learn from the class. In addition, we had professional artists, master teachers come in, and I tried to focus on teachers who there isn't a dance club, so everybody would be on an equal footing.
The whole point of the class is to have this space for dancers on campus, either part of dance groups or just interested in any genre of dance, to come together and share their styles with one another to sort of get this awareness of the other types of dance that there are and like how they relate to one another and how they can fit in each other's style.
This class really brought a different dimension to dancing. There was a lot of talk about the origins of the dance, the way it's used in the community. We learned ballroom, salsa, bhangra, ballet folclórico de Mexico, 2 different variations of hula, Tongan dance.
I'm part of the salsa group on campus, Los Salseros de Stanford. I decided to come up just with a small little solo work to teach people, and it wasn't even like choreographed per se, but pretty much just like I taught people these moves and then I'd call them out and then we'd do them together. And then after that I taught an actual piece of couples partner work that were just social dancing moves. I didn't want anything that was too choreographed.
You get to see your peers in a different light. Not only are they just this fountain of knowledge that you can take and use for your own choreography, but they're also someone that can be approachable. You can kind of delve deeper into it without having to be as concerned with formalities. Also, it's just so nice to see the levels of expertise that we have on campus and to be able to really appreciate the work that each individual student brings to their group.
The idea of it was to attract and interest the 800 or 900 students on this campus who are in dance clubs to be interested in being a part of a bigger dance community.
For more, please visit us at stanford.edu.